Welcome to Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort.
We're here to show you our room here at Disney's Hilton Head Resort. Look at our lucky room number.
1111.
1111. We should all be, what are they called?
The singing baths.
Singing baths.
Take me to my room.
Oh, that's a heavy door. So we actually have a handicap accessible room.
We do.
So this, when you first walk in, is our kitchen. Most of the kitchens, they have like the upper counters like most of the studios do, but ours, for wheelchair accessible or handicap accessible, everything's here. You just have a little area with all your utensils, drawer, and all the stuff is down here that's usually up here. We have our little fridge, which is filled with stuff because we are going to make Mickey waffles.
Yeah, we are.
We've got our sink, toaster, coffee maker. Okay, so then we come in. Oh, look at the cute, look at the frame. It's burlap.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, some kids swinging on a tire.
Nice little texture in there.
Cute. And then you got our closet and a bathroom, which again is a little bit different for handicap accessible. We don't have a bathtub. They have a no-step shower basically.
Yep.
Which is great. I actually really like the shower curtain.
Yeah, it's cool.
I like the leaves. Here's our sink with a cute little wooden, kind of looks like a porthole.
It does.
Yeah.
It has kind of a rustic feel to it.
Yep. Got the cute little thing up here. Got some cute little wall art. Some hooks.
Hooks.
For fishing. For the record, we know nothing about fishing.
Nope. Nothing
Absolutely
at all.
nothing.
But there are hooks involved. And
And fish?
yes. So that much seems to be correct.
That's great.
Yeah.
This is a slightly different layout
It is.
than most of the DVC resorts.
And this is also one of the earlier DVC resorts. This opened in 1996.
They've obviously revamped and re-upped it. Like, obviously these floors are not super old. And
Yeah.
the kitchen looks like it's got new countertops. Into the bedroom! There is some really neat touches in here. I noticed this earlier. This is so cool. It's almost like Lincoln Logs.
Oh yeah. The decor in here kind of reminds me of like the Alligator Bayou section
Oh, at
of
Port Orleans.
Port Orleans Riverside.
Yeah. This whole area of the park of the resort feels like that too.
It does.
But I just like this. This is cool. This over here too. This mirror. Looks like there's all tree branches. And this one too. It's
Oh
like,
yeah. What is it like?
Show me the beast! Let's look at this pillow.
Oh, cute.
Pretties. And I'm assuming a pull-out. Yep, it's a pull-out. Here, it's kind of like a basic little dresser.
Yep.
With
Nice
a
to put your clothes, but nice big TV.
big TV.
So this was clearly updated at some point. They have a little charging station here with little USB ports so you can plug your phones in. So again, that's something that has clearly been updated because a resort that opened in 1996 would not have had that.
We didn't have USBs back in 96, did we?
No, we did not. We had computers that went...
Goodbye.
Yes, that was really good.
Thanks. Another cool lamp.
Yeah, that's awesome.
More boats and fishing.
Yes.
I like the curtains.
Yeah, the
Feathers.
curtains are really cool.
Are those feathers?
Yep.
Yeah.
Feathers and kind of camouflage colors.
Last but not least, we have our patio, which might be the biggest patio that we've actually stayed in at any DVC resort.
Definitely. It's really nice.
But it's got two separate parts. Because usually a porch is just like this.
Sure.
But it's this, and then it steps out to the bigger spot with a full table and chairs.
Rocking chairs! Yeah. Yeah, you work that rocking chair. And we have kind of a partial marsh view.
Partial Marshall.
Partial marsh
Partial
view.
Marshall. But you can see it.
Uh-huh.
It's nice. We were hoping for a marsh view, like a full marsh view, but we just asked right at the desk, and it's a pretty busy weekend, so
Yeah.
it seemed like it made sense that there wasn't going to be one available.
But
which
they
there
did
wasn't.
say you can call ahead before
Right.
you check in, and if you have any special room requests, like a marsh view or something like that, just give them a call, and they will hook you up if they can.
I think it.
Tonight there is a barbecue going on, so we are going to go check that out.
BBQ.
Normally they do not serve dinner here at the quick service restaurant, but on weekends they do. So they're doing an
It's the weekends throughout the summer.
yeah. So there's an all-American barbecue happening. So we're gonna check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're here at Tide Me Over. Normally they just do breakfast and lunch, but right now on the weekend they are doing this Star Spangled Barbecue. So this looks amazing. I got the ribs and the hush puppies and the French fries.
I got pulled pork and sweet potato fries, which taste like funnel cake.
Funnel cake.
Oh my gosh, they're so good.
There's also a pool party happening tonight. They said it's the last one of the summer. So today is a very special day.
It is.
It is.
What's today?
Today is moving day. See, they know. They're backing in the truck, loading up all our luggage.
No, that's not.
We're in a studio room here, as we already showed you. We had requested a marsh view when we checked in, but there were no marsh rooms available. We heard that those were the best. Not that there's anything wrong with our view. Our view is
No,
beautiful.
it's really nice. And also we wanted a bathtub.
Yes, we wanted a tub. We turned out to be in a handicap accessible room, which that's all they had left. So there's no bathtub.
I think that they maybe had some magic up their sleeve.
Yep, we got a phone call, said they have an extra magical room for us.
We were able to create some magic and came across an amazing marsh view.
So we're going to give them our luggage now, and we are going to go find the beach house.
Sunscreened up?
Yep, lots of sunscreen.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Which, by the way, the main resort is not on the beach.
No.
The main resort is located back on the marsh,
Yes.
and you have to take a shuttle to actually get out to the beach, or
Yes.
a bicycle or something.
But we're gonna go now.
Yeah. This is the bus stop right out here in front of the main registration building, Live Oak Lodge. Right across the way here is a shuttle stop where buses come every 30 minutes. This is the entrance to Disney's Beach House, right over here on the beach. You bring the shuttle over. The sign says the shuttle comes every half an hour, but you actually just pick up the courtesy phone and call, and they'll be there within a few minutes to bring you over. You can also drive over if you like. As long as you have your parking pass in the window, they let you right in. Or if you prefer, you can actually bike over. It's about a 1.5 mile bike ride, so it's not too bad. house. So we're right here on the beach. You can see the ocean out there. And they have their own pool right here with a volleyball net. So you can play some pool volleyball.
Cool.
Ping pong. Got ping pong tables and a pool table. More covered seating. Splash area where you can kick the water. Good job. Surfman Station.
So this is inside Surfman Station. It's a nice rest area. Get out of the heat. It's really, really cool in here. Very nautical theme. Get out of the rain if it's raining. Get out of the heat if it's hot. Nice little relax area.
Signals is the counter service restaurant out here at the beach house. They have hot dogs and hamburgers and all that kind of stuff that you typically find at a Disney counter service. So they have some outdoor seating here, but then they also have some indoor seating. So we're gonna go in for lunch.
I got gluten-free chicken strips.
All right.
They have them, yay!
Yep, they have the same kind of gluten-free options that you would find at Walt Disney World. These sweet potato fries are amazing. I don't know what they cook them in or how they season them or what, but they are so crispy and
Sweet.
And
They cook them with the dreams of small children.
yes, they're amazing. Here's the Surfman Sandbar right here at the beach house.
They have a wine slushie? Oh my god.
Oh, so this is a full-service bar. This is only open during the summer. You can still get some drinks over at the other counter service area, but this is a full bar. Over here next to the bar, there's more inside seating covered. The TV in here.
Looks like a mess hall, actually. Little mirrors.
Oh yeah. The bar is awesome. They make a great drink
I got a pina colada.
with the raspberry. Yep. And I got a Captain's Mai Tai. Grab your drink, have a seat by the pool. The pool, Heather just noticed, is shaped like an H
For Heather.
for Heather.
You know it's coming.
Or for Hilton Head.
It's for Heather.
Either way. Either way. This is the other cool thing. Just like any other Disney resort you go to, your hotel key has charging privileges, both back at the resort and here at the beach house. You can bring your hotel key and you can charge stuff straight to the room, so you don't actually have to bring a wallet or credit cards or anything like that.
You're passing out 3 little things of wine slushies.
Wine slushies. Just brought these around.
She did.
Is it good?
It's amazing. It's like a strawberry with wine, I think.
Nice.
So, you know, can't go wrong.
They were giving out Dole Whips earlier, we saw.
Oh,
Kind of like strawberry shortcake.
the liquor or alcohol.
Yeah. They also provide towels right here at the beach house, so you don't even have to bring your own towel. From the beach house,
Going.
just got this little boardwalk that heads out over the dune.